How to practice data structures in Cyberdojo. Strengthen your coding skills by practicing data structures on Cyberdojo. And here's how to do it. Choose exercises that involve arrays, stacks, queues, and linked list. Use the editor panel to implement the data structure and click Run Test to check your solution. Analyze errors in the output panel and refine your code. Break down complex data structure problems into smaller operations. It helps in understanding and debugging efficiently. Which data structure do you practice most often? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can practice data structures in Cyberdojo. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.